Hello, welcome back to the brand new session. Previously, we saw how we can configure our basic settings in our Red Hat operating system. But now, in this session, we will see how we can configure our advanced setting in Red Hat operating system. So first of all, you can just go with the terminal and you can also configure the settings of terminal according to your requirement. As I can see, the font size is very low or very decreased format. So I'll just go through the preference and you can just go through the unnamed custom font and you can increase your font size. So we have increased our font size, so you can have a look. Is that good? Yes, it is good. And just you can go through the command and yeah, everything is fine for me. You can also change the color according to you. And okay, so this was the first setting which you can do in your Red Hat operating system. And the other thing is you can install the tweak tool. So you can run this command yum space install space genome hyphen tweaks. So in my case, I think so it's already there. So yep, you can see that it is already installed and you can just go with the tool because that tool will help you for advanced setting configuration. So you can just go with tweaks. So I will hit enter and you will get the tweak support. So this is animation. If you want, then you can enable or you can also disable that thing. Suspend when LID close. I'll just turn off. You can use the dark background as well because I always like the dark. So yeah, fine. Everything is fine. Icon, I will choose high color because you will see the different colors as well. Then font size, you can change the font size. Keyboard and mouse, I think everything is fine, but I'll just add this thing and it will require a restart the session. So yes, I'll do that once my configuration has been done. Top bar, you can add the weekdays, then you can add the seconds as well. The battery percentage out there, everything is done. Windows title bar. Now you can see that there is only one icon for closing this window. So you can enable the minimize and maximize button as well. So that is how you can do that, the advanced configuration in your Linux operating system.